Have you ever been on a road trip that you still think about years later?
Oh, I have one, and honestly, I still smile every time I remember it.
Really? Now I want to hear this story.
It had snacks, music, wrong turns, and one very angry seagull.
Wait, an angry seagull?
Yes, and somehow it almost stole my sandwich.
Okay, now I definitely need to hear the whole story.
Hi, everyone. My name is Sophia.
And I'm Ryan.
Welcome back to English Talks Academy.
Today we're talking about our favorite road trip memories.
I love road trips.
Me too. Sometimes the trip is better than the destination.
Exactly. You spend hours talking, listening to music, and seeing new places.
And eating way too many snacks.
That is a very important part of every road trip.
Absolutely.
So, Ryan, what is your favorite road trip memory?
Mine happened about 3 years ago.
Where did you go?
My friend and I drove from Arizona to California.
That sounds amazing already.
It was my first time driving through the desert for so many hours.
Was it hot?
Very hot. When we stopped for gas, it felt like opening an oven.
I know that feeling.
But the views were beautiful. There were mountains, rocks, and endless roads.
I love that kind of scenery.
We made a playlist before the trip.
Oh no, let me guess. The same 10 songs for 8 hours?
Exactly.
That always happens.
By the end of the trip, I never wanted to hear those songs again.
I understand completely.
One song played so many times that I still remember every single word.
That's actually impressive.
Or maybe a little scary.
Probably both.
We also stopped at a small diner in the middle of nowhere.
Those places usually have great food.
They do. I had the biggest pancakes I have ever seen.
Bigger than the plate?
Bigger than my face.
That's the kind of problem I want in my life.
Me too.
Did anything funny happen?
Yes, we trusted the GPS too much.
Oh no.
It told us to turn onto a dirt road.
Never trust a dirt road.
We drove for 20 minutes before realizing we were completely lost.
Were you worried?
A little. There was no phone signal.
That would make me nervous.
But then we found a beautiful viewpoint that wasn't on any map.
See, sometimes getting lost leads to something wonderful.
That's exactly how I felt.
I like that story.
Okay, your turn. Tell me about the angry seagull.
All right, my favorite road trip happened last summer.
Where did you go?
My cousin and I drove along the California coast.
That sounds incredible.
It really was. We could see the ocean almost the entire time.
I would never get tired of that view.
Neither would I. We stopped every hour just to take pictures.
My phone storage would be in danger.
Mine definitely was.
What was your favorite stop?
A small beach near a quiet town.
Was it crowded?
Not at all. There were only a few people there.
That sounds peaceful.
It was. We bought sandwiches and sat near the water.
And then,
And then the seagull arrived.
the villain of the story.
Exactly.
What happened?
I looked away for maybe 2 seconds.
That's all it takes.
Suddenly, I heard my cousin shouting.
Never a good sign.
I turned around and saw a seagull flying away with half my sandwich.
No way.
Yes, it was surprisingly fast.
That bird had a mission.
It really did.
Were you angry?
Honestly, I laughed.
That's probably the best reaction.
The seagull looked very proud of itself.
Like it had won a championship.
Exactly.
Did you get another sandwich?
Yes, but I held it very carefully after that.
Lesson learned.
Never underestimate a hungry bird.
Wise words.
Another thing I loved about that trip was the conversations.
Road trip conversations are different.
They really are.
Maybe because there are no distractions.
Yes, no work, no rush, no busy schedule.
Just the road ahead.
We talked about childhood memories, future plans, and funny school stories.
Those are the conversations you remember for years.
Exactly.
Did you have favorite road trip snacks?
Of course.
This is important information.
Chips, cookies, and gummy bears.
That's a strong list.
What about you?
Beef jerky, trail mix, and iced coffee.
Iced coffee on a road trip feels necessary.
It keeps the driver awake.
Very true.
What's your favorite thing about road trips in general?
Freedom.
I like that answer.
You can stop whenever you want, you can explore small towns, you can change plans.
Adventures happen naturally.
Exactly.
My favorite thing is the memories.
Not the destination?
Sometimes I remember the drive more than the place itself.
That's actually beautiful.
Thank you.
Road trips remind us that life isn't only about arriving somewhere.
Sometimes the journey becomes the best part.
I completely agree.
So, if you're thinking about taking a road trip, maybe this is your sign.
Bring snacks, make a playlist,
Be ready for surprises,
and maybe protect your sandwich.
especially if there are seagulls nearby.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
We hope you enjoyed our conversation.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone, and safe travels.